Motorola Edge 60 Fusion, a mid-range powerhouse with impressive features. The Motorola Edge 60 Fusion is the latest addition to Motorola's Edge series, offering a blend of premium features at a competitive price. With a spec score of 86, it stands out in the 22,500 rupees to 27,500 rupees segment, making it a strong contender against rivals like the Nothing Phone 2A and Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus. Let's dive into the key specifications and see what makes this phone worth considering. Design and build. Slim and lightweight, at just 8.25mm thick and 180.1 grams, the Edge 60 Fusion feels sleek and comfortable in hand. In-display fingerprint sensor, fast and secure unlocking. Durability, features Corning Gorilla Glass 7i for added protection against scratches and drops. Display, vibrant and smooth. 6.7-inch POLED display, offers deep blacks and vivid colors. 1220 by 2712 pixels, 446 ppi, sharp and detailed visuals. 120 Hz refresh rate plus 300 Hz touch sampling, ensures smooth scrolling and responsive gaming. Peak brightness, HDR, up to 4500 nits, 1400 nits in high brightness mode, making it great for outdoor use. Additional features. Pantone validated colors for accurate color reproduction. HDR 10/10 plus support for enhanced video streaming. Vision booster and SGS blue light reduction for better eye comfort. Camera, AI-powered photography. Dual rear cameras. 50MP, Sony Light 700, plus 13MP, ultra-wide/macro, with WAV for stable shots. 4K at 30fps video recording with good stabilization. 32MP front camera, crisp selfies and clear video calls. Motorola's AI enhancements, improved low light performance and portrait mode. While the camera setup isn't class-leading, it delivers solid performance for its price range. Performance, smooth and efficient. MediaTek Dimensity 7400, 4 nanometers, chipset, a capable mid-range processor for daily tasks and moderate gaming. 2.5 GHz octa-core CPU, handles multitasking with ease. 8 GB RAM plus 8 GB virtual RAM, ensures smooth app switching. 256 GB storage, expandable up to 1 TB via hybrid slot, plenty of space for apps, photos, and videos. This setup is good for casual gamers and heavy users, though hardcore gamers may want a Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3 or Dimensity 8300 device. Battery and charging, all-day power. 5500 mAh battery, easily lasts a full day, or more, with moderate use. 68 watts turbo power fast charging, goes from 0 to 50% in 15 minutes. Reverse charging, can power up other devices, like TWS earbuds, in a pinch. Connectivity and extras. 5G ready, future-proof connectivity. Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, USB-C 2.0. Hybrid SIM slot, supports either a second SIM or a microSD card. Verdict, who should buy it? The Motorola Edge 60 Fusion is a well-balanced mid-ranger with white checkmark, great display, bright, smooth, color accurate, white checkmark, solid battery life and fast charging white checkmark, good performance for everyday use white checkmark, clean Android experience, likely Android 15 out of the box. Who should consider it? Users who want a premium feeling phone under Rupee 30k. Those who prioritize battery life and display quality. Motorola fans who prefer near-stock Android. Who should look elsewhere? Hardcore gamers, consider Poco F6, Iku Neo 9 Pro. Camera enthusiasts, check Nothing Phone 2A, Realm 12 Pro Plus. Final rating, 8. 5/10, a strong mid-range contender with a few trade-offs but excellent value for the price. Would you buy the Motorola Edge 60 Fusion? Let us know in the comments. Rocket.